Hi friends! Welcome back to our channel. This is Krishna and today I'm going to be drawing Santa Claus. This drawing was really easy and fun to make, so preschoolers can make this drawing. If you would like to make this drawing with us, be sure to keep on watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our videos. Alright, let's start drawing Santa Claus. First, we'll make Santa Claus's eyes. We'll make two little circles at the top of your paper. Now we'll add a little oval for the nose. Time for Santa's beard. We'll add little bumps going all around. Santa has a big poofy beard. Now we'll give Santa a little smile. Time for his head. We'll add a little curve mark coming up and a line that goes a little further, and then we'll make two little lines going up. Connect both of those together. We'll add a little circle up here and two diagonal lines coming down. Time to make Santa's body. We'll make a big circle and we'll make him a belt. So we'll add a square and another square inside. You can color in the little square and two lines coming out. Now we'll make Santa Claus's hands. We'll make two lines coming up. Make sure they're the same size or height. And then we'll give him a little curve for a thumb and a curve to connect all of that. We'll add a line down here a bit lower from that curve we've made to make it look like a glove. We'll do the same exact thing on the other side. Two parallel lines, a curve for the thumb, and then a curve to end it off, and a line. Now it's time to make his boots, or legs. We'll add two lines, and then we'll add two other lines. So this part is one leg, and this part is another leg. We'll work on one leg for now, and then we'll start on this one. So we'll go down, and we'll add a curve. And then from that curve, we'll extend that line forward and end it off. We'll make this line go a bit further, and then we'll make a curve and connect it. You can add two lines to make it look like the boots, and now we're done with Santa Claus. If you'd like, you can give him some little ears and a line for something for him to stand on. Now it's time to color Santa Claus. We're going to fast forward this part. I'm going to color Santa Claus with his normal colors, but maybe you can give him a new outfit and change the colors of his outfit. That would be cool. We're going to fast forward this part. Let's start coloring.